Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the next point, that is genetic disorders. So the genetic disorders means the disorders which are, or the abnormalities which are coming in chromosomes or in mutation in the chromosomes are called genetic disorders. Here firstly, the first sentence of the paragraph is given the definition: the disease or disorder occurring by the abnormalities or in the chromosome and the mutations in gene is called genetic disorders. The genetic disorders are especially or basically are inborn diseases, which are also called as the inborn diseases. In that some examples are given here. The physical disorders like cleft lip म्हणजे फाटलेला ओठ, अल्बिनिझम म्हणजे अति गोरेपणा, फिजिओलॉजिकल डिसऑर्डर लाईक सिकल सेल ॲनिमिया, याच्यामध्ये रक्तक्षय किंवा रक्ताच्या मध्ये असलेला हा डिसऑर्डर आहे, आणि हिमोफिलिया, असे काही डिसऑर्डर्सची नेम्स तुम्हाला इथे दिलेली आहेत. आता हे डिसऑर्डर होण्याआधी तुम्हाला नॉर्मल ह्युमन कॅरिओटाईप जो आहे, नॉर्मल ह्युमन जिनोम जो आहे, क्रोमोझोम्सचं जे स्ट्रक्चरिंग आहे तिथं दाखवलेलं आहे. देर आर 46 क्रोमोझोम्स इन द ह्युमन बींग्स. इन दॅट द 23 pairs, the chromosomes are always formed in pairs. So that 23 pairs are divided into two parts. The 22 chromosomes or 22 pairs are said to be as a autosomes, or they are said to be as a body chromosomes, and one pair, that is the last pair which is circled here, that pair is said to be as a sex chromosomes, which are said to be as a which decide the gender of the child or gender of the newborn baby. So that is two types of chromosomes, sex chromosomes. For example, in human men there are 44 plus X and Y, which is giving here, and in male it is 44 XX, which are having the similar type of chromosomes. So these are the type of chromosomes which are giving here. It is a normal karyotype of the human beings. After that, we are discussing about the genetic disorders which are carried out by the abnormalities in the chromosomes. Here we are studying the abnormalities related with the number of chromosomes. For example, there are 46 chromosomes are normally present in the human body. Instead of that, the number of chromosome is increased or decreased, and that number of increase or decrease of the chromosome causes the any disorder or any kind of disorder. So firstly, the Down syndrome. This Down syndrome consisting the trisomy condition as 21st pair of chromosome. So there are the 47 chromosomes instead of 46 chromosomes are present in the human body. So that is said to be as an abnormality in the number of the chromosomes. Normally 46 plus one chromosome which is extra at 21st pair. 21st pair is not in the form of pair, it having the 3 chromosomes, and which is called trisomy condition. The characteristics or the most important highlighters of this disease are short height, short wide neck, flat nose, short fingers, scary hairs, single horizontal crease on palm, and life expectancy is only 16 to 20 years. So here we can study how the child of Down syndrome, which is inborn having the genetic disorder, is look like. That look like this baby is look like that in shown in the picture. After that, the second disorder is said to be the Turner syndrome. The Turner syndrome is having the abnormality in the sex chromosome, especially the single one chromosome is less, that are the only 45 chromosomes are present in the Turner syndrome. It is said to be the monosomy of X chromosome. X chromosome मध्ये monosomy condition आल्यामुळे हे characteristic येतं. Especially that are the women's, and this disorder is only carried out in the woman body, and in that the Turner syndrome, the characteristics shown 44 autosomes are present plus only one X chromosome is present instead of two X chromosomes. दोन X chromosomes वुमनसाठी पाहिजेत, त्याऐवजी फक्त एकच X क्रोमोझोम असतो आणि त्यामुळे त्यांच्यामध्ये फॉलोइंग डिसऑर्डरच्या कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पाहायला मिळतात. कोणत्या आहेत बघा. सच वुमन इज स्टराईल अँड अनेबल टू हॅव चिल्ड्रन्स ड्यू टू द इम्प्रॉपर ग्रोथ ऑफ रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्स. एक एक्स क्रोमोझोम कमी असल्यामुळे हे जे बाळ आहे किंवा हे जे लहान बेबी आहे ती जी आहे ती मोठी झाल्यानंतर रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ॲबिलिटी किंवा रिप्रोडक्टिव्ह ऑर्गन्सची ग्रोथ न झाल्यामुळे रिप्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस करू शकत नाही. तर अशा पद्धतीने याचे कॅरेक्टरिस्टिक्स सांगितलेले आहेत. आफ्टर दॅट द नेक्स्ट अँड थर्ड वन इज द क्लेनीफिल्टर सिंड्रोम. द क्लेनीफिल्टर सिंड्रोम इज ऑल्सो रिलेटेड विथ द सेक्स chromosome, in the abnormality in the sex chromosome which is giving here. In that the trisomy condition in the sex chromosome having the 44 plus X, X and Y. So the one X chromosome is extra at the male. This is especially related with the male character, and which is having the reproductive organs are not developed. It is only one character is giving here. The reproductive organs are not developed in that child. This is a male child, but the reproductive organs are not properly developed. After that, National Health Mission, the information is given about the National Health Mission, which is started from April 2005, and National Urban Health Mission is from 2013. The various activities are carried out in that. For example, increasing public awareness about the diseases, about the health, offering the financial assistance to the patient in the various schemes. वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीच्या स्कीम्स याच्यामध्ये. आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल आत्ताच गेल्या आठवड्यामध्ये ॲल्बेंडेझॉल नावाची जी टॅबलेट आहे जी एस्पेशली वर्म किलिंग म्हणून वापरली जाते, जंतनाशक दिन म्हणून साजरा केला गेला. तर असे वेगवेगळे प्रोग्राम्स आहेत, किंवा तुमचं जनरल हेल्थ चेकअप असतं, किंवा आयर्नच्या टॅबलेट्स असतात, किंवा हिमोग्लोबिन चेकिंग असतं, किंवा टिटॅनियस टीचं इंजेक्शन असतं. तर असे अनेक उपक्रम जे आहे, पोलिओ वॅक्सिनेशन आहे, तर असे अनेक उपक्रम या नॅशनल हेल्थ मिशनकडनं राबवले जातात. After that, second type of the genetic disorder, that is a mutation in the single gene. This is occurring due to the mutation in the single gene. That is the monogenic disorders are especially giving here. In that the number of chromosomes are same, but any chromosome is having some changes. A single chromosome having a change in that structuring of the chromosome. Approximately 4,000 different disorders in this type. The number of chromosomes or number of this type of diseases are much more. There are 4,000 types of different disorders in the mutation in the single gene. Some important namings are giving here, such as Hutchinson's disease, Tay-Sachs disease, galactosemia, phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, cystic fibrosis, albinism, hemophilia, and night blindness. So these are the some important namings. In that we are discussing 2 to 3 main disorders. Firstly, the albinism. Albinism is a genetic disorder. Our eye, skin, and hair have color due to the pigment called melanin. The melanin pigment which synthesized under our skin due to the solar energy. So that melanin is not properly synthesized in that human beings or in that childs, and therefore due to the cannot forming the production of the melanin, the hair colors are not developed. So they are having the white colored hairs. The eyes are also colorless, and the child is look like which is shown in this picture. So this is a characteristic of albinism. After that, sickle cell anemia. So sickle cell anemia is also explained here. In the sickle cell anemia, the normal size or normal shape of the RBCs, that is red blood cells, is circular biconcave, but in the sickle cell anemia, that shape of the RBCs is like a which is not properly developed. So due to that lack of the circular shape of the RBCs, the hemoglobin or the oxygen is not properly supplied to the body, and that causes the illness and much more other characteristics. So the sickle cell anemia condition is the destruction of the erythrocytes, that are red blood cells, and if the father or mother are both affected in the sickle cell anemia, that can carry disorder in the offspring likely to suffer from this disorder. So it is a genetic disorder which is carried forward from the one generation to next generation. So what is a pattern for this carried out of the disease from one generation to next generation? Here the A is said to be as a normal, AS is for the carrier, and SS for the sufferer. So AA is a normal parent, AS is a carrier parent. So that parent is not suffered with the sickle cell anemia, but that are having the recessive character of that sickle cell anemia. And SS, that is a sufferer, that is a sickle celled parent. So when the mating or when the marriage of the two one male and female takes place, at that time how we can carry out that disorder in the next generation. If both are normal, the all progeny are normal. If one is a carrier and one is normal, that having chances of 50%. If one is a normal and one is sufferer, there is all R should be the carrier. If both are carriers, then 25% chance of normal, 25% chance of sufferer, and 50% chance of carrier. If one is normal and if one is carrier and one is sufferer, there is also the chance of 50-50, which is given above. And lastly, which is the most dangerous, if both are sufferer, both the parents, male and female, mother and father, both are having the sickle cell anemia, the all childs should be the sufferer. The all progeny are the sufferer. So this last point, sixth point, marriage should be avoided to avoid the sickle cell anemia. Diagnosis: under National Health Scheme, the solubility test is taken, which is said to be as a test of hemoglobin is diagnosed, and electrophoresis is also performed in the rural and sub-district hospital. Our Dapoli is having the sub-district hospital, and at that place this scheme, diagnosis of the sickle cell anemia, takes place. Remedies are given here. This is spread only due to the reproduction, so it should be avoided, the marriage of the sufferer with the another sufferer or carrier. A person suffering from the sickle cell anemia should not take should take a tablet of folic acid daily. फॉलिक ॲसिड म्हणजे आपल्या आयर्नच्या ज्या गोळ्या दिल्या जातात, एस्पेशली आपल्याला शाळेकडनं सुद्धा, तर त्या गोळ्या रोजच्या रोज घेणं हे फार आवश्यक असतं. आफ्टर दॅट mitochondrial disorders. In that, mitochondrial DNA may become defective due to mutation, and during fertilization mitochondria are contributed by the egg or ovum, that is egg cell or ovum cell alone. Hence the mitochondrial disorder takes place. Labor, hereditary, optic neuropathy are the examples of the mitochondrial disorders. Very less information is given about the mitochondrial disorders. After that, the disorders due to the mutation in the multiple gene, as we are firstly studying about the single gene mutation. In some patients or in some childs, the mutation takes place in number of genes or more than one genes, that is said to be as a multiple mutation disorder. And in that the examples are given: diabetes, blood pressure, heart disorders, asthma, obesity are such examples of that disorders. uh, Polygenic disorders do not strictly follow Mendel principles of heredity. So these disorders are in form of complex infection between environment, lifestyle, and defects in the several genes. So several genes are defected in that disorders. Here we can complete this chapter. Lastly, we are studying about the interrelationship between tobacco addiction and cancer. In the each of the program, or each of the in the starting of the each of the movie in the theater also, these kind of pictures, these kind of videos are shown as the advertisement or the awareness about the tobacco addiction, or what are the hazardous effects of the tobacco addiction. On the packet of the cigarette, on the packet of the tobacco is also showing that pictures which are giving the information about the how the tobacco is dangerous to the human life. So we can explain here that in detail. Many people consume tobacco either in the smoking or by the chewing. There are the two methods of the tobacco consumption, as smoking or chewing. The both are having the bad effects on the body, because that tobacco leaves are having the one basic or one dangerous compound that is called nicotine, which is present in that nicotine. Here the naming is suggested that nicotine affects on our body. If we are taking by the chewing method, it causes the cancer of mouth, lungs, that is larynx, pharynx, pancreas, urinary bladder, etc. And if we are getting, or if you are consuming that tobacco in the form of smoking, it causes the cancer of lung also. The chronic bronchitis, pericarditis, the number of diseases are shown in that. So tobacco smoke contain harmful chemicals like pyridines, ammonia, uh, aldehyde, furfural, carbon monoxide, nicotine, sulfur dioxide. So these are the dangerous gases which are coming from the silencer of the bike also. So these are the main pollutants, and that pollutants we are consuming in the form of smoke, which is coming from the cigarette. So that must causes the cancer, and that transport into the black tissue. The tissues of our body are blackened due to the smoke of the tobacco, and that causes the cancer. While chewing the tobacco products are extract or absorbed into the body, and it causes the excessive tobacco consumption may cause the cancer of leaf, tongue, and visual disorders and tumors. These are the number of effects on our body. So to protect our body from the cancer, you must avoid the smoking and consumption of the tobacco. It is the only method to avoid that effects. So this is all about the chapter. We are completing. Then you all are mustly solve the exercise. Thank you.